What's up, guys? I'm back again with the Wltoys 1840-16 1/18 brushless four-wheel drive buggy. Alright, so I got my favorite wheels on this thing. They're Pirellis. It says Pirelli on them, but I don't know if they're real Pirellis, but they don't sell them anymore. But every time I put these on an RC, they go faster. If you guys have been watching me for the past 5-6 years, I've had these things for about 6 years and no tread loss. What is up with that? Maybe there's some kryptonite in there or something. Let's run this thing, guys. Oh my. See what I'm talking about, guys? See what I mean? What'd I tell you guys? There's a wheelie with these wheels. And they were expensive. These are definitely for speed runs, man. Also, I got to be careful when I do turns. Whoa! Told you guys. Tell you. I gotta go easy on the turns, man. Every time I put these on my A959B and turn, they would flip if I turn hard. That could work. Oh yeah. Definitely gonna do a speed test with these bad boys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta ease into it. Watch that pole. Oh, easy, easy. All right. Well, that's it, guys. All right, Wltoys 1840-16 with the kryptonite wheels from Pirelli. See you guys on the next video. Definitely gonna do a speed test with these. Later, guys.